Stay with us. Pastel pink color. And the next one is cool gray color. Scarlet color exactly. Cream color. Cream color. Pale pink color. Pale pink color. Yellow color. Kids, the next one is lavender color. Now we're opening the color of emerald green. Emerald green. Geranium color. The next one is black color. Stay with us. Persian blue color. The next one is, the last one is light violet color. First we are using the color of emerald green. Now we are using emerald green color. A, B, C, D, E, F, G. The next one is H. Pale pink color. H, I, J, K, L, M, N. The next one is O. Now we're using the color of black. Black color. O, P, Q, R, S, T, U. The next one is V. Now we're using the color of scarlet. Scarlet color. V, W, X, Y. The last one is Z. First you're opening colors. Sky blue color. And the next one is blue color. Stay with us. Kids, the next one is brown color. Brown color. Dark green color. Yeah, orange color. Kids, the next one is red color. Red color. Dark pink color. And the next one is light pink color. Yellow color. Green color. Black color. Purple color. White color. And the last one is silver color. First we're using the color of blue. Blue color. And now we're writing A. A for apple. The next one is B. B for ball. C. C for cow. C for cat. D. D for dog. Red color. Now we're using the color of red. The alphabet of E. E for egg. E for elephant. F. F for fish. G. G for goat. And the next one is H. H for hand. Yellow color. Now we're using the color of yellow. I, J, K, L. Dark green color. Now we're opening the color of dark green. M, N, O, P. P for penguin. Orange color. Orange color. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5. Silver color. 6. SIX 6. 7, 8. EIGHTH 9. NINE 9. 10. TE and 10. Colors. Cream color. The next one is cool gray color. Cool gray color. Geranium color. Geranium color. Emerald green color. Emerald green color. Yellow color. Yellow color. Light violet color. Stay with us. Pastel pink color. Pastel pink color. And the next one is Persian blue color. Persian blue color. Black color, exactly. Scarlet color, scarlet color. The next one is pale pink color, lavender color. First we are using the color of Persian blue. A. A for apple. B. B for ball. C. C for cow. D. D for doll. E. E for egg. F. F for fish. G. G for God. Now we're using the color of yellow. Yellow color. H. H for hand. I. I for eyes. J. J for joker. K. K for kite. L. L for lion. M. M for moon and for mango. N. N for nose and for nest. The next one is O. Kids, now we're using the color of pale pink. The alphabet of O. O for octopus. P. P for parrot. Q. Q for queen. R. R for rose, R for rice. S. S for snake. T. T for tiger. Kids, now we're using the color of geranium and writing the alphabet of U. U for umbrella. V. V for van. W. W for wolf. X. X for Xmas tree. Y. Y for yolk. Z. Z for zoo, Z for zebra. Thank you so much for watching.